Good morning, students. So welcome back. I hope yesterday you have solved the examples that I have told you and you have understood what it was taught. Now today we are going to discuss think, discuss and write page number 122. So directly I will write the answers here and I believe that you will take down in your notebook. Okay, so first one, can you have a triangle with two right angles? Now if there are two right angles, what will be the sum of the two right angles? 180. So third angle, it is not possible, right? Because sum of the measures of all the angles of a triangle is 180, and if the sum of two angles is 180, how third angle will be possible? So can we have? No. So our answer is no, right? Then can you have a triangle with two obtuse angles? Again the same case. Obtuse angle, the measure of the angle is greater than 90 degree. So suppose if two angles are 120, 120, it becomes 240. So cannot be, right? So again the answer is no. Then third one, can you have a triangle with two acute angles? Yes, we can. Okay, because a triangle, it can have all the three angles acute. You can see here. Okay, so it is possible. So yes, we can. Okay, then can you have a triangle with all the three angles greater than 60 degree? Not possible, because 60 plus 60 plus 60 is 180. Even if you have got 60.5 or 60.1, then it becomes more than 180 degree, and hence I cannot have. So no. Then can you have a triangle with all the three angles equal to 60 degree? Yes, we can, because 60 plus 60 plus 60 is 180, right? So we can have. And 6, can you have a triangle with all the three angles less than 60 degree? Again, no. Why? Suppose if one or three of my angles are 59 plus 59 plus 59. So the sum comes out to be 177. Or even if I have got 59.9, then also the sum of the angles will not come to be 180 degree. It will be less than that. And hence, we cannot have all the three angles less than 180. Less than 60 degree. Okay. So, no. We cannot have. Okay. So, this is think, discuss and write. Now, let us move to the next part. Now, two spatial triangles, equilateral and isosceles. So, what is equilateral? The triangle whose all the three sides are of equal length is called as the equilateral triangle. Okay. Now, for example, see here, I have got two triangles, two cutouts. You can try this. So, if I place, I am keeping this fixed, I am placing this another triangle over this. So, what do you find? They exactly match over each other, right? All the sides are equal? Yes. What about the angles? Let us see. Okay. Now, I am turning over it. Is it matches? You can see here. Does it match exactly? Does it fit over each other exactly? Yes. Now I am changing the angles. I am bringing it like this. Okay. Now let us see what happens. Are all the angles exactly matching? Yes, again. Now I am changing it this side, this way. Okay. So see what happens. What happens? Again they match. Again one time. Okay. Now this is the third vertex I am bringing here. This triangle is fixed. I am changing the vertices of this. Okay, now see, are they matching? Yes, they are. Okay, again now I change it. For example, like this I make it. Now, do they match? Yes. What it suggests? What it suggests that all the three angles of equilateral triangles are also equal, right? And from that we can say that the measure of angles of equilateral triangles is always 60 degree, because if they are equal, then each angle has to be same measure. So 60 plus 60 plus 60, and sum has to be 180. So each angle is of 60 degree exactly. So there are two properties of equilateral triangle. For equilateral triangle, you will get two properties. You should remember that. Okay, equilateral triangle. The first property is all sides are equal. Right? And second property is measure of each angle is 60 degree. That is, all angles are also equal. Now the second triangle we are going to study is isosceles. Now what is isosceles triangle? A triangle whose two sides are congruent or of equal measure. We have studied equilateral. What is equilateral? A triangle whose all three sides are equal is called as equilateral. And isosceles triangle, a triangle whose two sides are equal or two sides are equal in length. That triangle is called as the isosceles triangle. Now I have got here isosceles triangle. Can you see? Yes. These two sides are equal. Now what I am going to do? I am going to fold this triangle and I'll bring this vertex or this angle, I'll fall over this angle. Okay. So for that I am going to fold it like this. See what happens. What do you find? Now can you see that these two sides are equal? See here. These are the two sides. Okay. So these two sides are equal? Yes, they are equal. And what do you find about these angles? Are they equal? Yes, they are. You can see the measures. Do they match exactly each other? Do they fit over exactly? Yes, they fit over each other exactly. That means the measure is equal. What we can say from this, that is, these are the base angles of isosceles triangle. Am I right? Yes. Now these angles are opposite to the equal side. This angle is opposite to this side and this angle is opposite to this side. Are they equal sides? Yes. So these are the base angles which are opposite to the equal sides. And hence what we can say? Yes, the base angles of isosceles triangle which are opposite to the congruent sides are always equal. There you are. They are always equal. Right. One more property. Last time I have said, one of the median is the perpendicular bisector also. And you can see here what I have done. I have done the altitude. Right. That is altitude. So this is altitude. This is median. And this is also perpendicular bisector. Right. So you can see there is one segment of an isosceles triangle which is everything. Perpendicular bisector of the triangle, altitude of the triangle and median of the triangle. So this is that. The segment which is drawn on the non-congruent side. And this is the non-congruent side. So there are two properties of isosceles triangle. First thing, two sides are congruent. And second, the base angles opposite to the congruent sides are also congruent. Okay. So first property, two sides have equal length. Two sides have equal length. Second, base angles opposite to equal sides have equal measure. Okay. So that what can happen. Okay. Now try these. So question number 1, find angle X in each figure. So first one I am going to solve. So this is first triangle. You can see this is isosceles triangle, right? Now these are the equal sides. is the measure of x? Can you guess? Oh yes, yes, exactly. The measure of x is 40 degree. Why? Because base angles opposite to the equal sides are always equal. Where? In isosceles triangle. So here we can say, in isosceles triangle, base angles opposite to equal sides, equal in length, are always equal. Okay, so therefore x is equal to 40 degree. Therefore value of x is 40 degree. Okay, so that's what is expected here. Now next example. Now see the second figure. You have to find this value of x. This angle is given 45. See the equal sides. Which are the equal sides? These are the equal sides. Which are the opposite angles to them? These two angles. Right? So if this is 45, this is also going to be, yes, exactly 45. Why? Because base angles of isosceles triangle are always equal in measure. Right? So this is 45, this is 45. So I can find out this. How? Sum of measures of angles of a triangle is always 180 degree. Angle sum property. Right? Do you understand? So now here, in isosceles triangle, base angles opposite to equal sides are always equal. Right? So I will call this as A. Okay. So therefore A is equal to 45 degree. Okay. Then by angle sum property of triangle, you can have x plus a plus 45 degree, that is equal to 180 degree. So therefore x plus 45 that is equal to 180. 45 plus 45, 90. That is equal to 180 degree. Now bring this 90 to this side. So x is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree. Okay. So what we did? Transposing 90 degree to RHS. Transposing 90 degree to RHS. Okay. So therefore x is equal to 180 minus 90. Yes, 90 degree. So therefore value of x is 90 degree. Okay. Now let's move to the next example. Now next example, fourth example I am going to solve. Now here you can see, again it is an isosceles triangle and these are the base angles. So if this is x, this is also going to be x, right? Because base angles are of equal measure. So this is also x. Now the non-congruent angle is given 100 degree. Okay. So what we can do? 100 plus x is equal to 180 degree. Okay. Which property? Yes, angle sum property. Right. So first we will write in isosceles triangle, base angles are of equal measure. Therefore, each base angle is x, right? Then by angle sum property of triangle, what you will have? X plus 100 degree, that is equal to 180 degree. X plus x, yes, 2x plus 100 degree, that is equal to 180 degree. Now bring this 100 to this side, that is, yes, transposing. So therefore 2x is equal to 180 degree minus 100 degree. So transposing 100 degree to RHS. Okay, so therefore 2x is equal to 80 degree. Now divide both sides by 2, right? So 2x upon 2, that is equal to 80 degree upon 2. So dividing both sides by 2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2 40s are 80. So therefore x is equal to 40 degree. Therefore value of x is 40 degree. Okay. So after that, let's move to the next example. Now 7th example, you can see this triangle. This is given to be x, and you have to find the value of this, and measure of exterior angle, that is 120 degree, is given. Okay. Now you can see the symbols. So that shows that these two sides are equal. So if these two sides are equal, that means this is an isosceles triangle. That means the base angle should be equal. So if this is x, measure of this angle is also, yes, exactly, this is x. Now this plus this is equal to 180 degree. Why? Oh yes, they are in linear pair. Okay. So let's find the value of x, right? So what we can say, in isosceles triangle, base angles are of equal measure, right? Therefore value of measure of each angle, therefore each base angle measures measure is x. Okay. So now by also x plus 120 degree, that is equal to 180 degree. Reason, linear pair angles, right? Now I want to find x, so bring 120 to other side. So x is equal to 180 minus 120. Reason, transposing 120 degree to RHS. Okay. So therefore x is equal to 60 degree. Therefore value of x is 60 degree, right? So now let's move to the next example. Now this is 9th example. If you see, this is an obtuse angle triangle. Again you can see the equality symbols. That means these two sides are equal. right? So these are the base angles. So they are equal. Am I right? So if this is x, this is going to be x. Isosceles triangle property. Now, this angle is given 30 degree. Now if you see this is exactly opposite to this. That is vertically opposite angle. And measure of vertically opposite angles are always equal. So if this is 30, this is also going to be 30. So value of x is 30 degree. Okay. Example is simple. Just you need that concept. Okay. So how to write? So in isosceles triangle, base angles have equal measure. Therefore, each base angle measure is x. Okay. Now, therefore, x is equal to 30 degree vertically opposite angles. Okay. Therefore, value of x is 30 degree. Right? Now, dear students, now we can move to question number 2. Now, question number 2, find angles x and y in each figure. So, first one I am going to solve. See this figure. Again, if you see, these are congruency symbols. So, this is an isosceles triangle again. So, these two sides are equal. So, angle opposite to this is y. So, angle opposite to this is this angle. So, again, base angles are always equal. So, if this is y, this is going to be y. Right? Now, this plus this is equal to, oh yes, 180 degree. Because they are in linear pair. Right? Now, so if this is 120, this is going to be 60 degree, obviously. So, if this is 60 degree, this is also 60 degree. Now, can I find x? Yes, I can. How? Angle sum property. This is 60, this is 60. So, 60 plus 60, 180. 180 minus 120, 60 plus 60, 120. Okay. And I can find x. How? 180 minus 120, 60. What type of triangle it becomes then? Yes, equilateral triangle. Okay. But here, given information is only two sides are equal. So, we are going to solve the example by that way only. Okay. So, in isosceles triangle, base angles have equal measure. Therefore, each base angle measure is y. Okay. So, therefore, y plus 120 degree, that is equal to 180 degree, linear pair angles. Therefore, y is equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree, that is equal to what you did, transposing 120 degree to RHS. Therefore, y is equal to 60 degree. Okay. Then we will use angle sum property. Now, therefore, by angle sum property, what do you have? Y plus x, that is equal to 180 degree. Okay. So, 60 plus 60 plus x, that equals to 180 degree. So therefore 120 degree plus x is equal to 180 degree. So therefore x is equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree. What you did? Transposing 120 degree to RHS. Okay. So therefore x is equal to 60 degree. So value of x is 60 degree and value of y is also 60 degree. Okay. Now let us solve third example. I hope you have understood this. Okay. Now if you see here, these are the congruency symbols. So that means these two sides are equal. So this is again an isosceles triangle. So base angles are these. So this is x. So this is also going to be x. Why? Base angles are always of equal measure. Right. Now see this angle. We are supposed to find value of x and this is y. We are supposed to find value of y also. Now y is an exterior angle of that triangle. Right. Now this is 92 degree. So this is also going to be, yes, obviously x, 92 degree. Why? Because they are vertically opposite angles. Right. So this angle is also going to be 92 degree. Now then find out, this is x, and this is 92. By angle sum property, find out value of x. And once you get value of x, you can find value of y. Because x plus y is equal to 180. Why? Yes, linear pair angles, right? So I will call this angle, let it be A, because here name is not given. Okay, and so that it will become easy to understand. So therefore A is equal to 92 degree. Why? Vertically opposite angles. Okay, and vertically opposite angles are always equal. Okay, then in isosceles triangle, base angles are always of equal measure. Or you can make the statement base angles have always equal measure, doesn't matter. Okay, so therefore each base angle measure is x. Now we can use angle sum property. So by angle sum property of triangle, what we can have? Yes, we can have x plus a, that is equal to 180 degree. So therefore 2x plus 92 degree, that is equal to 180 degree. Right? Now bring this 92 to this side. Okay. So therefore 2x is equal to 180 degree minus 92 degree. What you did? Transposing 92 degree to RHS. Okay. So therefore 2x is equal to 10 minus 2, 8, because 0 minus 2 is not possible. This becomes 7. So 17 minus 9, 8. Okay. So answer is 88 degree. Okay. Now you have to find value of x. So divide both sides by 2. So x, 2x upon 2, that is equal to 88 degree upon 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 244s are. What you did? Dividing both sides by 2. Okay. Therefore x is equal to 44 degree. So value of x you got. Now we want to find y. Also Also x plus y is equal to 180 degree. Why? Linear pair angles. Linear pair angles. Okay. So therefore 44 degree plus y is equal to 180 degree. Therefore y is equal to 180 degree minus 44 degree. What you did? Transposing 44 degree to RHS. Okay, so therefore y is equal to 10 minus 4, 6, 7 minus 4, 3 and 1. So y value is 136 degree. Therefore value of x is 44 degree and value of y is 136 degree. Okay, so dear students, I hope you have understood today's examples. Solve the remaining examples as homework. We'll meet in next period, that is on Friday. Till then, goodbye.